SolidCAM is an operation-based CAM system, which is an add-in to your SolidWorks license. SolidCAM comes in a variety of modules, so you can pinpoint what machining you need to do for your specific application. SolidCAM is a perfect fit for an engineer who needs fine control and flexibility for a variety of machining jobs. With SolidCAM having a module-based approach to its licensing, it allows the user to pick what toolpaths are needed for its specific application. SolidCAM offers a comprehensive CAM solution, with capability from simple 3-axis milling to 5-axis milling, even to complex mill turns and Swiss turns. To give the greatest possible control, SolidCAM offers toolpath sets for specific applications, such as impeller machining, port and screw machining, as well as specific applications for multi-turret mill turns. In addition to this, SolidCAM also has the industry-leading roughing technology. With iron machining, we can take into account the material strength, the machine power, and the tool geometry to give tool paths a cycle time reduction of over 75%. To machine a part in SolidCAM, it's as simple as opening the part, defining the stock, the fixture, and the coordinate system. From there, it's a case of picking the operations you want to use. So for instance, it might be a facing operation, then a roughing operation, then a finishing operation. You can ensure then that the part is machined accurately by using the inbuilt simulation tools that check if you've cut exactly what you want, or that you might have gouged the material, and obviously we need to rectify the toolpath. From there, we can also export to Eureka. Eureka is a G-code verification software that can make sure that what you see in the CAM ties up exactly with what you're going to see on the machine.